Hi, Mom. So this is how you're going to change your password. On Facebook, go to this little arrow, click on Settings. In Settings, you'll see Security and Login. Click that. And then you want to go down here to where it says Login and Change Password. So you can press Edit, enter your current password and your new password, and save the changes here. I'm not going to do that right now. You can also choose friends to contact if you get locked out, and so you could like make Brad and me and Chrissy or Christy your friends to contact, and that will help you to be able to get in or out if you get locked out. Okay, love you lots. Oops.